Hi everyone, this is Merly and welcome to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. This video is different from the past video that I made because today I'm going to give you a tour of my garden which is covered with snow. So everyone, welcome to Kentucky's winter storm and hope you enjoy the view. Let's go! Right now, I am showing you these two brown plants in here. These were the moms that I planted back in November. Right now, you can see the snow falling. Let's walk some more. There are some vehicles. Now we're going to my garden, which is covered in snow. Here I'm gonna show you my garden. Yeah, everything is dead for now. These are my tomato rows, peppers over there, cucumbers and squashes, but we're going to rearrange this spring and we will also make a new pumpkin patch. I actually see some birds. Oh, there's a truck over there. He might be wondering what we people are doing in here. Oh, the snow is so pretty. Yep, those are the plants. I have a little compost pile over there by the tree. And this is the woods. Yeah, that's my compost pile in there. It's now covered in snow. That's where we drop all of the sticks that we pick up from under the trees. Trying to find a bird. There was a bird in here a while ago. It's snowing harder. We'll probably get an additional 2 to 5 inches of snow. Look how pretty that is. It's just white all around. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And very cold. It's a playground, and that's my little garden that you can see in my profile page on Facebook and in YouTube as well. Woo, it's getting so cold now. We're gonna go back inside.